Hi! In front of me is TCL 406 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and choosing Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Now, before creating a new one, tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Settings from the pop-up. Now adjust all of those however you want to under Alarms, like Snooze, and when you're done, go back. Now tap on this plus icon at the bottom and set Tap an Hour. When you finished, hit OK. Then adjust all of those options however you want to. At the top, you can add label and save it by hitting OK. Then you can pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones, and even exclude some dates by tapping on this plus next to Pause Alarm and selecting them. When you're done, hit OK. To delete them, just click on this little remove icon next to them. Now tap on Bell 1, choose Dismiss, and decide if you wish to log in to YouTube Music or Spotify to use music from it, or if you want to select Sound section and then pick any song from your smartphone by choosing Add New and tapping on the chosen one. If you don't want to do any of that, you can also just tap on one of those sounds, like Fairy, and go back. Now tap on this icon next to Vibrate to switch it off or on, and also on this one next to Google Assistant Routine to add or remove your alarm from it. To hide all of those settings, click on the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully adjusted. If you want to switch it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to get rid of your alarm, tap on this little icon, at the top right corner of it, and hit delete at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!